Welcome back. The so-called former rebel MPs of the ruling NRM party have won another battle in the Supreme Court to keep their seats.
This after the highest court in the land ruled that the 4 MPs can stay put in Parliament until their appeal challenging the ruling of the Constitutional Court is disposed of.
The lower court had earlier ruled that the MPs Nsereko, Barnabas Tinkasiimire, Wilfred Niwagaba and Theodore Sekikubo vacate their seats, and the Electoral Commission holds by-elections.
Justice John Wilson Ssekooko read the ruling on behalf of the 7 justices of the Supreme Court.
The court ordered a stay of execution of the Constitutional Court ruling and also granted an injunction against the Electoral Commission from carrying out any by-elections.
The Supreme Court further ordered the Speaker of Parliament and the Deputy Speaker not to act against the lawmakers, since they are still the legitimate representatives of the people in their constituencies.
The ruling NRM party, to which the MPs belonged, had sought to remove them from Parliament on account of indiscipline.
Parliament, because we are people's representatives, it was wholly unfair for a party to stand and usurp the people's power. And we are glad that the Speaker of Parliament and all those that have been working on our removal from Parliament, the order is clear that we shall stay in Parliament.
The only thing we can do is to continue standing firm in saying we are not going to give any breathing space to this form of kleptocracy in Uganda. Submitting to this form of kleptocracy is inviting apocalypse against the Ugandans. We are not ready for this.
We've been optimistic that justice will prevail, and justice has finally prevailed. It's something we really expected, because, I mean, it's either way. It's either the truth or never the truth, or falsehood. But this is the truth. We are people's representatives. And how could someone say or rule in the Court of Appeal that we leave Parliament in such a manner because we don't subscribe to party ideologies?
For the dissenting justice, I think she needs to read more of the law. The Constitution is very clear on these matters. The party does not elect a member of Parliament. It's the voters, just like it was pronounced.
The ruling is very positive. One, it builds the culture of constitutionalism in our country. It builds the jurisprudence. But also, more important than anything, it builds institutions. It is giving independence.